Larson Electronics' explosion-proof suspended light fixture provides operators with a powerful and energy-efficient alternative to traditional hazardous location luminaries. This Class 1 Division 1 and 2, Class 2 Division 1 and 2 explosion-proof light fixture provides 21,000 lumens of high-quality light while drawing only 150 watts. Special heat dissipating design in conjunction with LED technology helps this fixture to achieve an excellent 60,000 hour rated lifespan. This light is equipped with 100 feet of 16.3 chemical and abrasion resistant SOOW cord. This light ships with a swivel bracket and safety cables to suspend the light within grain towers and elevators. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.